Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we're opening One Piece card game PRB01 One Piece Card the Best. Very excited to open this. This set is a best of selection from some of the best cards from OP01 to OP06, and there are new alternate art cards and also 30 new Dawn card designs specifically for this set. So the format of this box is a little different than the other booster boxes. There are 10 packs per box. Each pack will have either SR or Secret Rare, and either 1 or 2 Jolly Roger parallels, and 1 Dawn card per pack. And each box there should be a foil Dawn, and also each case should have a gold Dawn. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the packs. Let's see what they look like. So I will be sleeving up all the Jolly Roger parallels and SRs, so maybe a slightly longer video, but we'll try to keep it quick. There's a first on the Zoro, pretty cool looking. And this promo Luffy. And here is event card. I think it's still basic, I think. What did I miss? Oh, actually I miss a Jolly Roger parallel. Not sure you can see from this lighting. The Jolly Roger logo on it. I'm gonna sleeve that one up first. And then this is just a base event card, and then we got a Kit SR from OP05. Finishing off, we have an Izzo Jolly Roger parallel. Okay. So each box we should get 1 alternate art card and 1 full art card. And there's also a chance to get a what they call God pack of manga with a whole pack of manga rares, but that's super hard to hit, so we'll see. It's a Dawn card. I think it's not sure which character. I think maybe the Shirahashi's father. And this is the parallel, Jolly Roger parallel for this pack. And got a Momonosuke, and then you got SR from OP06 Hiyori. Then finishing off, we have, that is our alt art for the box of Shanks. Okay, so I think we should get 1 more full art card, and hopefully, if we're lucky with any manga, Shanks may be our top hit of the box. We'll see. Sabo Dawn. And then this is Sanji leader, so that means we don't have the alt art Sanji. And here's the base. Then got Yamato SR. And this is Jolly Roger of event card. The Flamingo Dawn. It's hard to see if it's Jolly Roger there or not with the lighting. It's a baby 5 and then got a Reiju. And then behind that we have another Reiju, but this one's a full art Reiju. This one looks pretty nice. Okay, so I guess we hit both the alt art and full art of the box. I think I may like the Reiju more than the Shanks. Let's see what we can do better with the rest of the packs. But I think we may already have the 2 hits from this box. It's the Odin Dawn. I think I should still have a foil Dawn coming up somewhere. Okay, this is a Jolly Roger parallel. I wonder if I missed any in the previous packs. I will have a second look after the video. Then we got Space event card. Got a nice looking Law SR from ST10. Then finishing off with a nice Shirahoshi Jolly Roger parallel. Still waiting for our foil Dawn. Okay, here's our foil Dawn. Thing is this. I actually don't know which character this is referring to. Is it Queen, maybe? This may be the Queen Dawn. So, not the most exciting Dawn. Chopper, Law, Robin, Queen, and then I think this is a Wiper with Jolly Roger parallel. And it's the base event card, and then got a koala. SR. Then finishing off with a Jolly Roger parallel of this event card. Okay, so maybe we already have all the hits that came out from this box. The full art, alternate art, and the foil Dawn. The Gecko Moria Dawn. Virgo, Hancock, Sky Island stage, and then this is the Jolly Roger parallel. And we have Charlotte one of the Charlotte sisters. Got a Kit SR from OP01. And finishing off, we have Jolly Roger of, I think, Sanji, one of Sanji's brothers. It's a Big Mama's Dawn card. Izzo. And this event card of the Jolly Roger parallel of the Big Mama. And then our secret rare of the box is Kaido from OP05. Artwork looks very nice, and I didn't pull this from my OP05 box. Finishing off, we have a Jolly Roger parallel of Capone. Get 2 packs left. Got a Kit Dawn. It's the Jolly Roger parallel, the Sky Island. Got a Hody Jones SR. Pull the same card from my OP06 box, but he seems to be a good card in the game, even though I don't play it at this time. Finishing off with a Jolly Roger parallel of Marco. Last pack, let's see if there's any miracle coming. Nope. We didn't hit God pack, but that's pretty hard to get. Whitebeard Dawn. Okay, got the Homepo. Jolly Roger parallel. And I got Izzo, got a Kaido SR from ST04, and then finishing off with a Jolly Roger Lemon. So here is the box. I would say overall I'm satisfied with it. Nothing super crazy big, with none of the manga rares or anything. And yes, here are some of the SRs, and then I guess the slightly more special ones are the secret rare Kaido, my foiled Dawn, I think is a Queen Dawn, and then I guess the nicer ones are the alt art secret alt art from OP01 of Shanks, and the full art Reiju. And this may be the favorite from this box that I've opened. Well, thanks for watching. If you're opening this, hope you hit the manga rare God pack. Best of luck. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you at the next one. Bye.